morning. Welcome to Automod. Right here, we have a project. This Chevy truck here. What we're doing is basically installing a head unit. This is the Pioneer AVH X8500 BHS. Basically, this unit here, it has a capability of watching videos in it, and basically the main purpose of our installation in this is for the customer to see the view when he's backing up the truck. The truck is so big, as you can see. If you pan out, you will see how big the truck is. It's a Chevy dually, and imagine if you're backing up this thing, it is so big that you usually risk hitting an object or sometimes a person. So the customer requested to install a TV monitor, like a double din, and put sensors in the back and a camera in the back. So now let's go take a look at the unit that is going to install here. Like I said, this is the Pioneer AVH X8500 BHS, which is also capable of reading MP4 file. Because I don't know why he wants an MP4. It's kind of like rare for people to want to have that kind of feature. But let me show you the unit that we're installing here. This is actually the unit. Okay, this will go in the dashboard of the vehicle. Now, again, this is capable of reading MP4 file and viewing his backing up of the truck. Now, in addition to this, we are also going to install sensors in the rear of the truck on the bumper. This is how the sensors look like. This actually will sense. It's like a sensor. It will sense the object, how far the object is from the truck. So there's about I'd say about 4 or 5 sensors of this, and this is called the Steelmate PTS 400 M8. Now, these sensors here, as you will see, this will go right here in the bumper of the truck. It will go somewhere here. We're going to drill a hole, as you can see, and there's going to be about 4 or 5 of this. Okay, now, in addition to this, this one here, this is the indicator. It will tell you where this digital, it will tell you how many feet he is away from the object. And as you close in, this digital lights, these LED lights will light up. So when you're really close to it, all these lights will turn on, and it will tell you how many feet. Probably you're about 1 foot away from the object already when all these LEDs light up. So this will go on top of the dashboard. Now, this module here, this is basically the module that will transfer the signal of the video object of the back into the TV. Now, this is the camera. We will install this most likely in the license plate. So it's like simulated. Okay, so this will install in the back. This is a camera. It will actually view what's going on. It's like a TV. So on the latter part of this this video, and also this is the remote for the head unit for the Pioneer. So on the latter part of this video, when we come back, we will show you how this thing works and how it came out on the install. And Jack here, with his permission, we are going to show how Jack is preparing the bottom of this, where he's going to be placing, the monitors. I mean the sensors. Yes, of course, we are going to put a hole in there. So Jack here is going to make sure that everything is centered. Pretty much, Jack is really good on this. So how we progress in this, we will be showing you more of this video as Jack here is going to complete the installation. This is the 99 Chevy truck that we are doing the backup camera. As we mentioned earlier, that we are installing the sensors for this bumper. This is the 4 sensors that we had completed. 2, 3, 4. And then now here's the camera. The sensors will just basically indicate how far the sensors here will just indicate how far the object, a solid object, away from the bumper. It will actually sense from 5 feet away all the way down to 0 foot. It will indicate continuous beeping as it approaches the object. The camera here will basically monitor what is viewed from the back of the bumper. If we walk up here, this shows now the where the dashboard is going into, and this is the part where the monitor is going into. That is the part that we are doing the modification. We could have bought the ready kit for this particular truck, but we don't like how the kit appears to look like, so we did our own. The kit usually costs about $300 to $350, but the the kind of work that we had done on this will make the truck more custom, since it's not similar to what is readily available in the market. So I'm sure that the customer would be very happy about this. Thank you. We are showing you now the progress that we had been doing to modify the dashboard of a 99 Chevy Silverado. We are doing double din stereo setup that will show the monitor, that will show the backup camera of this truck. Jack here is presently finishing up the modification on the dashboard for this double din stereo. As you can see in here, Jack is currently working on finishing this and smoothening this dashboard. He's putting a bando to finish this and smoothen the corners. Okay, hi, good morning. Again, here's the finished product of the dash that we did. As you can see how perfectly this came out. We did this and this and painted it. As you can see, the sharp corners that we did on this. It was painted with satin black paint to give that natural OEM look. Shortly, we will see when this is on the dash. Thank you.
Okay, we're on Automod Racing. We have done a 99 Silverado. We did a double din dash kit. Customized the dash for double din. We have a Pioneer AVHX 8500 BHS. We also put park assist and a rear view camera. I'll show you right now in a second. Instead of us buying the kit, we just customized it. And at this moment, I'll show you how it works. Now somebody's gonna get closer to the car from the rear. And as you see, you can see the lines over here, and also it will detect from here how many feet away. And also we did a DVD bypass. At this moment we didn't have the module for it, so I used a momentary switch with the relay, and I'll show you in a second. There we go. And also it has a Bluetooth, which is an awesome unit.
I get a feeling it's gonna be a riot.
That's all we did.
That wraps it up for the modification of a Chevy Silverado with the dual DIN TV and backup camera and sensors. Thank you for watching.